everybody, welcome to our channel Cinema Ratnam. So today we are here going to watch a Bazooka official teaser, and in this we have our Mammootty and our Momoka and Gautam Vasudev Menon, Dino Dinesh, and I guess yesterday morning this teaser was released of Bazooka, and the name is very different, like Bazooka and all that things. So अभी हम देखेंगे कि क्या होने वाला है, and also being a very big fan of our Mammootty. I'll say Momoka, not Mammootty. I'll say Momoka. Being a very big fan of Momoka and its acting, like in the recent of the times only, I have been saying Brahma Yugam, right? Brahma Yugam, yeah, the movie. The acting of Arvamuka was incredible. The way that the evil laugh and everything, ekdam khatarnak. I loved that movie so very much. Like आते आते दिनों में I have been becoming like a big fan of Mamuka, of his acting, his dialogue delivery, and the way he chooses his scripts. I love it. So today we are here with the Bazooka movie's official teaser. So let's see how this teaser is going to be. चलिए देखते हैं.
ബെഞ്ചമിൻ തന്നോട് പല പ്രാവശ്യം പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളതിൽ ആവശ്യമില്ലാത്ത പരിപാടിക്ക് പോലും എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് തലവേദന ഉണ്ടാക്കി വെക്കണം
സാർ എന്താ സാർ ഈ പറയുന്നത് ദ ഗ്രേറ്റ് ഷാഡോ ഗ്യാങ്ങിനെ പോലും മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്ത ഗ്യാങ്സ്റ്റേഴ്സിനെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങനെ തുടരാൻ
എന്റെ ബെഞ്ചമിനോടൊരു ബഹളം നിങ്ങൾ എവിടെയാ
സാർ അത് പോപ്കോൺ സാർ ഞങ്ങള് സെക്കൻഡ് ഷോ കണ്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് ഞാൻ പടം കണ്ടു വിളിക്കാം സാർ ഓക്കെ ഒന്നിൽ തുടങ്ങി നൂറിൽ അവസാനിക്കുന്ന ഗെയിം a game between good and bad.
Wow, it's Mamuka, yeah. The car se pata laga, just it's him.
So then who are you?
Hey buddy, get ready for the game. It's tuxedo time.
Yo, him and he's great for cars. Never ending combination, yo.
അപ്പൊ പണിയാണ്
8-2-16
Wow.
ഈ കഥയിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ റോൾ
നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാത്തതൊന്നുമില്ല മൈ
Bazooka coming soon. Okay, they have not been yet announced the date of the movie, but yes, coming soon. I love that. Bazooka is a car hai na koi, and also I can see over there. Bazooka is a car, and I want to tell one thing. Let it be the movie Sherlock. Let it be the movie. Sorry, not Sherlock. Shylock. Let it be the movie. The name I'm not recalling it, but where he wears like that lungi. I don't know the name. Where I know, but the full movie and everything I've been seeing. I just wanted to say only one thing, that Mamoka, and he's a craze for the like what you can say, expensive and branded cars never literally ends, and that combination is like I love it. And the way he entered in here with the bazooka na, and that ponytail of him, that beard, he is looking just handsome, mega star Mammootty. And this was just a teaser only, and in here we have been seeing that good and the bad, and how they will conquer, and who are you, who will you be in the good or the bad, and all that kind of a thing that have been said in here. ये बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ेदार होने वाला है. And also one thing in here I wanted to say, that he came, the Siri आवाज आया और उसके बाद टिक टिक, and it's time for the tuxedo, and he came in that tuxedo, navy blue, white, and the tie, his beard, his glasses, and everything. My God, no one will say he's that 70 plus, right? He is 70 or something age, bhai sahab. No one will say that. Literally no one would. मतलब अगर जिसको भी तुम फोटो दिखाओ वो बोलेगा 45, or what we can say 50 might be. No one will say that he is like 70 in years old. He is just like, he maintained himself very nice, and also in here the background music you can see very mystical, very what we can say action and everything is going to be there in this one. I'm like hoping for that. I'm after watching Brahma Yugam, my Brahma Yugam. Before that, I also watched Mammootty's big fan, big Bilal. Big Bilal in that also the cast and everything. Shylock movie and one of the movies where वो नाम क्यों नहीं आ रहा है like the comedy one where Mamuka and Saundarya or Aishwarya, I don't know, like she plays Bharatnatyam, she has like beautiful eyes, I guess Saundarya her name might be. So that movie मतलब मेरे फेवरेट्स बता रही हूँ. सो दिस आर द लाइक और एक भी मूवी है उसका नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, वेयर हिज डायलॉग डिलीवरी इज लाइक वेरी एप्ट विद हिज डायलॉग. वो नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. इट इज ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ अ विंटेज काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, नॉट अ क्लासिकल मास थिंग. वो ऐसे 2-4 मूवीज है. आई एम लाइक बिग फैन फ्रॉम आफ्टर वॉचिंग दोज मूवीज. लाइक you can see how Mamuka acts in the movie and why he's called as the mega star and all that thing. And wow. And also talking about, I was at the starting of the movie which I watched of Mamuka, I was not a big fan of him, not a big fan of his action especially. But however I shifted to like watching more of his movies, right? Like Big Bilal, you can say, like Brahma Yugam, like recently, and that one movie with Saundarya or Aishwarya, I don't know the name, but yes, you people might understand from like literally watching his movies then and then. And now like literally I have been becoming fan of his acting and his dialogue delivery. His dialogue delivery is very apt. I love the way he impactful his dialogues are on the person, on the like other person and all. वो एकदम मेरे को best लगता है. मतलब उतना keen dialogue delivery I have been never ever seen of anyone's. मतलब इतना perfectly. And because of that only I am a big fan of him. The way he changed my perspective, that like I was not a big fan of him, of his what you can say, of him the action, the starting of the days when I started watching Malayalam movies of him especially. So after like literally watching slowly I have been got attracted to his acting and attracted to the way he chooses his scripts. Ekdam best. And also this one Bazooka seems very mysterious to me. So will be coming soon in theaters near us. So yeah, that is it for today. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कर देना, नीचे कमेंट करके बताना कि कैसा लगा, और आपको ऐसे और वीडियो चाहिए वो भी कमेंट करके बता दो. इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दो, नीचे दिए गए वाइट सब्सक्राइब बटन को वो भी क्लिक कर देना, और मेरा इंस्टा आईडी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है, सो प्लीज फॉलो दैट टू. थैंक यू.